Hello there. This isn't usually what I make on my channel. I don't have a steady, I don't even have a steady content stream at all though. So none of the stuff I do is normal, but whatever. This is my video on the Sounds of Tokyo to Future vinyl, which I ordered a couple weeks ago from the store, from the 2 Mellow store. The second I saw the post about the vinyls going back on sale, I immediately jumped on it. I was in school, so that was a very frantic experience. But I managed to get my hands on it, and I have that here now. Here I'm ready to open. I did buy the CD a couple weeks ago, so I already own this album, but still being one of my favorites. I discovered it while I was playing Bomb Rush Cyberfunk for the first time, found the artist, listened to the entire album, and it is now one of my favorites of all time. So getting out of that, let's just go ahead and open this thing, why don't we? Alright, so I don't have a proper thing that could hold my camera up, because this is on my desk, so you're stuck on a shelf right now. So just try and enjoy the crappy footage down below. But yeah, just sit back, open this bad boy up. There we go. That's gonna be good for whatever. It's fine. Ignore that. Boom. There's 1. There's 2. All right, here it is. Sounds of Tokyo to Future on vinyl. Throw this box out of here. Ooh, that looks clean. Like the art, that's about the way. Beautiful art. We got the songs. One of my favorite album of all time. So I don't have any favorites here. You just it's fine. Pull the plastic of this bad boy out. All right, here it is. Here is the album. We got some beautiful art here. Forget by who, but the art freaking stellar. Got this message here. 2 Mellow about this was also in the CD, so I kind of already knew about this, but it's fine. Just from what I'm seeing, the art on this is absolutely beautiful. Let me turn it so you can read it. This is side B. Side A. It reminds me of Chainsaw Man. The character here reminds me of Chainsaw Man a lot. With each song, let me pull this out. Ooh, it's kind of transparent a little bit. So transparent like red. Really nice. It looks edible. It looks like cherry candy when I eat it. Let me put this back.
3 hours later.
Alright, hey, this might look a little weird, but I just got back from a dinner, so I had to go. So this is coming back. So I just put away the red one. Now it's time for disc 2 with this, and hope I realized I recorded it wrong. Here it's actually face up now, which more amazing art. Here's side B with this cool black and white render of the first one. My dog's at the door. Give me a sec. Why you gotta be so annoying, little dude? I know. Ow, ow, hey. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. So here we go. Got this. Oh, this is also transparent a little bit. Kinda see through it a little bit. That's pretty cool. I didn't see that. Yeah, it looks and feels really nice. Again, it looks like rock candy, which I don't want to eat because then I wouldn't be able to listen to music. So, all right, there we go. That's it, I believe. That's the entire thing. And I gotta put this thing back in here. So overall, art itself looks amazing. Just the looks of the records themselves, the red and the blue, look really clean, really nice. But now the question is, does it sound good? And since I gotta do homework anyways, might as well put this on, so I will listen to once while I'm working. After listening to the vinyl, this is really good. The audio quality is really good. The art's really good. It's great all around, honestly. I'll be proud to put this with my other records up there. And this is like a proud part of my collection now. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Really help if you guys like and subscribe, I guess. I probably won't be doing another video like this for a while, but thanks for watching all the way through if you are watching this. Really helps out a ton, and see you guys in the next one.